So guys, this is a question number 41 which I am going to explain, and the question number 41 is a subtract 2 matrix, right? So before that, in 40 video, question number 40, we learn about how to add two matrix. Now we are going to learn how to subtract two matrices, right? So the question number first, I'm going to step by one step explain to you all the step one, and which I'm going to explain. There is a function definition, right? Subtraction and matrices. So in the step one, this code define a function named subtract matrix that takes two matrix, a matrix A and matrix B as a parameter. So step one, check dimension, right? So the code check whether the dimension of matrix A and matrix B are the same. If the number of rows and column is not the same, it throw an error with the message matrices must have the same dimension for subtraction. This ensure that the matrix can be subtracted element wise, right? So I'm going to explain you about the step 2 part, right? So the step 2 part is all about the line of the code. Like the second question number, step 2 is the initialize the result matrix here, right? So the step 2 is all about, in this line of code, initialize a variable name result matrix, right? And assign it an empty error here, what each part of does, right? So let result matrix this declare a new variable name result matrix. The let keyword is used to declare a variable in JavaScript, and a result matrix is a chosen variable name. This is the assignment part. It assigns an empty array, this array, to the variable result matrix. In JavaScript, array are used to restore the collections of values. In this case, result matrix will be used to store the result of matrix subtractions. Okay. After is equal to the bracket options here, right? This one is equal to. So So at this point in the code, the result matrix is an empty array that will later be populated with the result of subtracting corresponding element from matrix A and matrix B as the code proceeds throughout the loops to perform element wise subtraction. Values we added the result matrix. This is initialization ensure that result matrix start as an empty array before being populated with the subtraction result, right? In this step 2, come to the step 3 part. This part of the code uses nested loop to perform element wise subtraction between corresponding element of two matrices. Matrix a dot length I plus plus, right? So the outer loop iterates over the rows of the matrix. It runs matrix a dot length times where matrix a dot length is the number of rows in matrix A. The loop variables I represent the current row index. And come to the inner loop. For let j is equal to 0, j less than matrix A, 0 dot length j plus plus. Inside the outer loop, there is an array loop that iterates over the column of the matrices. It runs matrix A dot 0 length times where the matrix A 0 dot length is the number of column in matrix A. The loop variable j represents the current column index. And initialize, right? And initialize result matrix row. Result matrix I is equal to j, right? Result matrix I is equal to barth, right? This one bracket. Before starting the inner loop for each row, an empty array is assigned to a result matrix I. This prepare a new row in the result matrix for the current iteration of the outer loop. Come to the element wise subtraction. Result matrix ij is equal to result matrix A ij minus matrix P ij. Inside the inner loop, the code perform element-wise subtraction, subtract the corresponding element at position I, j from the matrix A and matrix B, and assign the result to result matrix Ij. This is the core operation that calculate the value of each element in the result matrix. By the end of this nested loop, result matrix will be fully populated with the result of subtracting corresponding element from matrix A and matrix B, and it represents the result matrix of the subtraction operations. Come to the step 4. Step 4 is all about return the result matrix. This line of code is the last step in the subtract matrix functions, and it serves to return the result of the matrix subtraction. The result matrix return result matrix. This statements uses the return keyword to exit the function and return the value of the result matrix. The result matrix contains the element obtained by subtracting the corresponding element of matrix A and matrix B. So, what's example matrices? Matrix is a variable declared using let keyword. It assigns an array representing a 2 into 2 matrix. The outer array contains two inner arrays, each representing a row of the matrix. The value within the inner array represents the element of the matrix. For example, matrix A00 is 3, matrix A01 is 7, matrix A1, 0 1, 0 is 1, and matrix A1 is 1, 1, matrix A11 is 4, right? Matrix B, similar to the matrix A, matrix B is a variable assigned an array representing another 2 into matrix, right? The value in the matrix B represents the element of the second matrix. This line of the code initialized to matrix A to matrix B in the JavaScript. This matrix can be used of various matrix operations, and in the provided context, they are likely intended for use to subtract matrix function mentioned in the previous discussion, right? So this is all about question number 41, guys. So I have also uploaded question number 40 where we are talk about adding two matrices. So check out that video also too. At the same time, if you like that video, like it, comment, and share this video to your friends whom you think about that it's beneficial for them. So let's practice and do practice the things which I wanted to share with you all. Don't just go to listen it first. After that, do practice by your own. Then you will understand actually how and what thing you're doing, right? So the best part is all about practice. So do practice too at the same time. Let's meet in the question number 42.